Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Techno Expert. So today, for the first time, I will be start teaching AutoCAD. AutoCAD is an engineering software which is used for engineering purpose, even for the architecture purpose. In this, you can draw any 2D or even 3D drawing, but 2D is its specialty. Many engineering projects are done on the AutoCAD. It is the most basic software which is used in many electrical fields. For example, for many engineering fields. For example, electrical, mechanical, even for civil. So, and even the architectures use this. So Let me start from the beginning. So what should I do? The first thing is that let me teach you about what is AutoCAD. What options are available in the AutoCAD. So first of all, I'm using AutoCAD of 2021 version. Every year the Autodesk, the company of the AutoCAD, releases a new version. So it doesn't matter that if you are using old or the new, almost it is same. So in AutoCAD you can either select the option from the above bar, this insert, the annotate, parametric, view, manage, or you can even use some functions. Now for example, if you want to draw a line, you can select this line option, click, then drag, and for example I want the line till here. So and then you have to use escape button from the keyboard to leave this command. Okay, now this is a line. So now if you want to draw the same line now using a command in the AutoCAD, now what you will do, you will type L. As I type L, you can see that it's written line. I will click again, same, click, drag, and click to stop. Now you will press escape button. So in this manner you can draw a line. A line can be horizontal, vertical, diagonal. Now again, if I want to draw a line, look, it is going straight 90 degree, straight 90 degree. You can draw a line anywhere in the AutoCAD. AutoCAD is very big. As you can see that it is very deep. In AutoCAD you can see that here are some options, different options for a different purpose. Now this option means that if you ever want to select anything, any corner of any line, or any line do not have the corner. I mean, for example, if you have a line, for example, this. If you want to select this, you will find it easy to select using this option. Now if I'm drawing in another line from this point, and you want to be sure that you are connecting it well, then this option, this square, as you can see that it is very useful. This square means that you are right on the spot, and you can easily click and drag. Escape button. Now what is the meaning of this? This means that now this line will only follow a 90-degree angle. 90-degree angle upward or anywhere, I mean a 90 degree. Okay, look, as you can see that it is only for following 90 degree, 180, something like that, but not diagonally. So I hope you can understand right now. So there are many other options. Now for example, if you want to draw a circle can be drawn like this. Okay, or you can use its command will be C. You have to type C. As I type C, you will see circle. No. Now if I want to draw a circle which has a diameter of diameter of 6 millimeter, diameter of 6 millimeter, then now I have to type here the diameter, 6 diameter has a radius of 3 millimeter, 6 millimeter diameter has a radius of 3 millimeter. So whenever you are drawing a circle in AutoCAD, you will always mention its radius. So I will type here 3, and you can see that it has been drawn. Now if you want to check its dimension, dimension can be shown by this option. Look, I can zoom it. This is 6. So whenever you want to draw a circle, you need to know that it is necessary to use the radius. Even you have the diameter, but you will use the radius of that diameter. So dimensions, you just select from here, from one point to another point, and then you can go up or down, and you can easily find the diameter. Dimension has a shortcut, or the command can be D, escape, D, and D for DI. Look, dim, it's mean the dimension. Thank you so much. I hope you understand this. This will help you very well. Please subscribe, share, like my channel.